everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own mint plant from these mint sticks that you can buy in the supermarket. And it's really easy to propagate them. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video.
Maybe you recognize a bag like this. These sticks are perfect to make a mint tea, but you can also use them to make your own mint plants. Start by removing the lowest leaves from the sticks to make sure that there is enough energy to grow roots. Cut away the lowest part of the sticks, since this has probably already dried out, and now you only have a part that is still alive. Then remove some more leaves from the lower part. Propagation in water is not necessary, and you can just stick the cuttings into a pot with some potting soil. Water the soil a bit. After a week or two, the cuttings have formed roots. They are now ready to be transplanted to a bigger pot outside. I use a terracotta pot with some potting soil inside. Make sure that the pot has a drainage hole so excess water can go out. Spread the different rooted plants around evenly in the pot.
Thank you for watching this video on mint propagation. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!